How to fix Tower of Fantasy crashing on Steam. First, you want to go to the library, and then you can right click on the game and open up the properties panel. Now go to the general tab, and under launch options you want to type hyphen or dash dx11 like this with no spaces, and then go to installed files and click on verify integrity of game files. And once the check is done, you can close out of this window and then open up NVIDIA app or whatever GPU you're using. Go to the drivers section and then check for the latest game ready driver and make sure to download it and install it. You can also open up your browser and search for NVIDIA app and download it and install it if you don't have it already. And then you will need to search for Redist and then click on the first Microsoft link. Now if you scroll down to the second table, you should find the 86 and the 64 versions of the redistributables. Make sure to download and install both of these from these links right here. You should download and install them individually. And once the installation is done, you can basically restart your system. It's easy to install. You can either restart your system from the installation when it finishes for these two, or you can press power and then restart. And after the restart, you can simply run Steam as admin before launching the game by right-clicking on Steam and click on Run as admin. And then you can hit play on the game to launch it, and this should fix the crash problems. Thanks for watching and subscribe.